Whether you're building a property or renovating a portion of it, it's clear that you're going to be spending a lot of money and hopefully a lot of time enjoying the end result. But what happens after the fact? After many years of use? After many seasons of weathering? Though new building technologies and materials are undoubtedly improving product performance, warranties should not be taken at face value, and you should take the time to scrutinize what's really being offered. In this video, we've put together a few tips and tricks on what to look out for when trying to recognize a worthy warranty. First and foremost, a warranty should set out how to use the product and how not to use it. Second, it should clearly define under what circumstances replacement or repair will take place and how you can engage with that process. The biggest thing to look out for is vagueness. A good warranty is detailed and explicit. It tells you what you are covered for in terms of latent defects, what is not covered, how long the coverage lasts, the value proportion you may recover as time passes, and the steps to take for that recovery. Where you get caught out is with a warranty that leaves any recovery of value or replacement up to the discretion of the manufacturer. This can cause many problems, where the manufacturer is either unwilling or under-resourced in a particular territory to make good on a warranty claim. We strongly suggest looking out for warranties that take all variables into account. The more detailed and comprehensive a warranty is, the better. It shows that the manufacturer has taken the time to test its products and has established a benchmark for the fundamental expected performance of each product. We also suggest paying specific attention to misleading statements about testing, standards, and compliance. A test result from one of the many testing agencies is not the same as being compliant with local building standards. A manufacturer cannot be compliant with a testing body. Bear in mind, just with any other consumer goods, replacement value will drop over time. However, that doesn't mean that a warranty is not simple or easy to enact. A good warranty clearly spells out expected use conditions, defining your responsibilities for aspects such as cleaning and care. Another tip when, in the case of you inheriting an installed deck for example, is to check if it's required to re-register the deck in your name as the new owner. If it's a good warranty, it will continue to hold for an identifiable installed product no matter who owns it, providing it was installed correctly and has been properly maintained. With the range of products available on the market today, it's important to realize that the warranty specs are just as important as product specs. Only you stand to benefit, so take advantage of the best terms available. We hope you've enjoyed this short video and trust you'll enjoy uncompromised peace of mind with our market-leading warranties for our extensive range of composite building materials. Eva-Last, inspired by nature, designed for life.